guys, Killbite here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take one of these cheap filters and make it more effective. You know, so I've got allergies. A lot of people have allergies, and those HEPA filters are really nice, but there's two problems with them. One, they're expensive. Two, they actually in the summer restrict the airflow to your air conditioning unit. Now, that may not affect yours. Depends on how large, whether or not it's sized, the filter is sized properly. But in my house, I've got a 20 inch by 20 inch filter that is just barely, it's the minimum for my air conditioning size. So what I have found works best for me is using these cheap ones that flow more air. So what can I do to catch some of the dust and pollens? Well, you can spray it with WD-40, water displacement 40. That's right. You're familiar with like your K&N air filters. They're a cotton filter, flows well, and then they have their own, they don't use WD-40, they use their own light oil formula that they spray on them to catch the dirt. Well, you can do the same thing with your filter. Just spray it with WD-40. I suggest you do this outside, unless you want your wife, in my case, to yell at me. There, I just spray it. I'll leave it out here for just a few minutes, let some of the smell float away, and then I'll go put it in place, and that will catch a lot of the little dust particles and pollens. I am not saying that this is a great replacement for your HEPA filter. This is not going to do the same filtration, but it is much, much, much better than just using the cheap one. And there is another advantage. Let me show you in the house. And unlike the pleated filters, these you can actually vacuum. Now, I just spray more WD-40 on it, and we're good again for another month. Here we are. Filter is cleaned and sprayed with fresh WD-40. It's good for another 30 days. Alright, hope you found that helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.